Hello, I am Lionel from Wideum, and today I'm going to show you how simple it is to use your new Iristick G1 smart glasses to support your technician on the field remotely and live. This suitcase contains some of the most advanced technology to help equipment manufacturers reduce their downtime thanks to remote assistance. To use this kit, we will need these 4 elements: one Android smartphone, up to your choice, one dock station, one optic cable, and of course the glasses itself. This device has 3 main elements. One optical display where you can see the expert's main indications, 2 cameras, one on the front and one on the side with laser pointer and flashlight, and finally an audio kit with microphones and speaker integrated. Now let's build the whole kit in 3 steps. The phone is used as a router for the smart glasses. To finish the process, we only need to download now 2 apps, Remote Eye and Iristick Services. Remote Eye is a live video remote assistance software that connects an expert and a local operator. The expert guides and assists the operator in the installation, maintenance, or repairs that requires specialized knowledge. Open the Iristick Services app and keep it always open. Now open Remote Eye. In the screen, a 4-digit code will appear. Please transmit this code to your remote expert so that you can be connected. Congratulations! You are now connected and ready to make your first call with Remote Eye.